Achucho. Itashri, no. Okay, Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Do the action. Ink is wet. E. Okay, good. Next is J. J, J, J. Come on, sing. Sing.
Someone else is singing. Wait. Hurry up.
Okay, come on, Sarah, sing. Very good, Riyashri. Hmm. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja, 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 ja. Swallowed half of the sentences, you ate half of the sentences? Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja, 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 ja. Okay? Very good, children. Shall we see the phonic rhymes today? Let others join.
Sarah.
Yeah, good morning, children.
Answer my own, answer my own, answer my own, they're causing me alarm. Bring your bat and bring your ball, bring your bat and bring your ball to the bar to play. We are clinking castanets. We are clinking castanets. We are clinking castanets. Clinking castanets. We are clinking castanets. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Eggs in a pan, eggs in a pan, eggs in a pan, crack the egg like this, My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the egg came out. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gurgle. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. lots of noise. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Puff down the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, when it starts to rain. Try big span round the village, try big span round the village, try big span round the village. Ooh. I see the clouds moving, wah wah wah. I see the kites flying, wah wah wah. I see the trees bending, wah wah wah. The wind is blowing strong. Take an X-ray, take an X-ray, take an X-ray, X-ray of my hand. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yup, 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 yup. Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz like this?
Yes, did you all enjoy the rhymes, children? Yes, did you all enjoy the rhyme? Yes or no? Don't rhyme. You have to regularly watch at home also, children. Yeah, good morning, Pranavi, Pravina, Kadambari, Nakshatra, Nimalan, Ilango, good morning. Tilakar, good morning. Yeah, good morning. Arya, good morning. Yeah, good morning, Matilakar. Good morning. Yukta, good morning. Okay, come on, all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes for Kidzi Anthem. Yeah, good morning, Ma. Come on, all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes for Kidzi Anthem. Come on. Yeah, good morning, Ma Mokshita. Join your hands, close your eyes. Come on, join hands and close your eyes. So I say three. Okay, all of you mute yourselves, children. Ready? Tilakar is going to repeat after ma'am today. Tilakar. Ready, Tilakar? Priyashri, mute yourself, Kana. Thank you. Yes, Tilakar. Kidzi Anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Hmm. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, good morning. Yeah, mute yourself, Tilaka. Thank you. Good morning. A big good morning to everyone, all of my children. Yeah, good morning, children. Okay, ready for the warm up activity? Shall we start the song? Ready? Come on, get up, all of you. Stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Come on. Ready? Yeah?
What's going on? Break
Yes, very good, children. All of you go drink one glass of water and come back. Yes, ready? Ready, all of you? First,
Here I am, sir.
here I am. Very good, Arya. Okay, next. Who's this? Very good, ma Adarsh. Hi, Adarsh. Next.
बोलो ये कौन है?
Who's this girl? Who's this girl?
कौन है ये?
Adya, say here I am.
बोलो yes बोलो here I am. मैं
Okay, अच्छा. Okay, come
बोलो
on.
here I am.
I will not say all these things. Come on, tell me first. Here I am.
बोलो बोलो.
This is my Adya Sharma.
Oh, ho, ho. Okay. Thank you, Adya Sharma. Okay, next.
Kiran Manila ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Next.
Yeah.
Very good, Hiteshri. Next.
சொல்லு.
Very good, Nakshatra. Next. Next. Here I am, ma'am. Very good, Nitish. Next. Very good, Pranav.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is this, ma'am? Photos, ma'am.
Attendance. I have asked for photos, no?
Oh, no,
Today
ma'am.
you send Mokshita's photo. I'll add to this.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah, thank
I
you.
will send you in the night, ma'am.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Who's this?
சொல்லு, சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Here I am.
சத்தமா சொல்றா.
Here I am. You are not there, Kevin.
சொல்லு, here I am.
Kevin is not there.
நான் சொல்றான்,
Okay.
ஸ்லோவா சொல்றேன்.
Okay, slowly he's saying. Okay, no problem. Who's this girl? Very good, Riyasri. Next. Where's my girl? Sarah, where are you? Sarah? Say, here I am. Very good, Sarah. Next. Yeah, very good, Pranavi. Very good, Pravina. Oh, is this Sai Priyana? This is Sai Priyan. Then why are you saying here I am? Who's this? Yeah, Yeah, thank you, Srinija. Next. Next. Tilakar, are you watching Tilakar? Tilakar. Okay, I'm marking you, Tilakar. Next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Yukta. Next. Next, who's this? Okay, very good, Kadambari. Next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Mamanasa. Next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan. Nimalan or Tilakar, who said here I am?
Numalan, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Nimalan. Next. Yeah, Tilakar, I noted down Tilakar, no issues.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Sai Priyan.
Here I am.
Very good, Shravanya. That's it. Only Mokshita is missing. That photo we'll add tomorrow. Okay, children, thank you so much. Ma'am is going to come back. Okay, children. Do you all remember the rhyme yesterday? What I taught you? Do you all remember the rhyme? Yes. What rhyme I taught you yesterday? Family rhyme. Yesterday I taught you family rhyme. Very good. Very good. All of you mute yourself. One more time we'll have a recap of family rhyme.
Ma'am,
Okay. Daddy
ma'am,
finger, daddy. Yes.
Mokshita present.
Yeah, I noted down.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
saw her. I noted down. Mokshita, you
Yeah.
want to say here I am?
Say. Here I am.
Ellen.
Very good, Mokshita. Thank you. Okay. Ready for rhymes, children? Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Where is the daddy finger? Here. Hello, everyone. Mummy finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Where is mummy finger? This is mummy finger. And then brother finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Brother finger. Okay. Sister finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Now all of you sing, come on. Don't unmute yourself. Sing in your place itself. Okay? Don't unmute. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Mute yourself, children. Don't unmute yourself. Sing on your own, but don't unmute yourself. Mute yourself, come on first. Nitish, mute yourself. Nitish, very good. Mummy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yes, very good, children. Okay, children, I want you to show some alphabets. Because of that, we'll sing one alphabet rhyme. Okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z, sugar on your bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Next day morning, come to school. I will teach you A, B, C. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Come on, everyone. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet, left, right. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet, left, right. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet, left, right. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Turn around, all of you. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Stand up and turn around. Stand up and turn around. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, turn around. Nitish, stand up and turn around. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. Come on, jump up high. Adarsh. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. Arya, do the action. Come on. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, jump up high. Very good. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray! Very good. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Very good. Well done, children. Clap hands for yourself. Very good. Now we are going to jump for 20 times. Okay, don't sit down, stand up. Ma'am is going to count from 1 to 20 today. We are going to jump 20 times. Okay, shall we start? Ready, steady, go. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. After 17, Sarah? 17?
Which number?
After 17? 17? What will come next? 18. Why are you sitting? Come on, stand up. 19, 20. Very good, Kevin. 20. Very good. Now, come on, children. All of you sit in your places. Come on. Yes. What alphabet is this, Nitish?
Yeah.
A. What alphabet is this, Nitish? Capital A, small a. A for apple. Like this you have to say. First you have to tell me the alphabet. A, capital A, small a, and then the sound apple. Okay? Next one. Next is Pranav. What is this, Pranav? B, capital B, small b. B for banana. Very good. Next is C, capital C, small c. Riya Sri. C for car. Very good. Car. Very good. Next is D. D for Ilango.
Dinosaur.
Very good. D for dinosaur. Very good. The dinosaur. Okay. 1 minute. Next is E. E for Kevin.
Elephant.
Elephant. Okay. And next alphabet. Elephant. Next alphabet, Sarah.
Fish.
F. Capital F. Small f. F for fish. Okay. Yes. Good. Next is Kadambari.
Guitar.
G. Capital G. Small g. G for guitar. Okay.
Guitar.
Very good. Next is Hiteshri. Hiteshri. Hiteshri, unmute yourself and answer.
What is it, Nuna?
Helicopter.
H, capital H, small h. H for helicopter. Okay. Manasa. Manasa. I for igloo. Not igloo, it is igloo. I, capital I, small I. Igloo. Very good, Manasa. Adya.
Octopus.
बोलो.
Octopus.
J
Is
for
this octopus?
J
J
for
for?
octopus.
No.
No बेटा.
J for
J.
हाँ.
small j.
Capital A. J. Small J.
Jellyfish.
Octopus.
No, beta.
No.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Jelly and jam. Jelly and jam. We sing no jellyfish. Okay. Next is Shravanya. Shravanya.
சொல்லு. நான் கேக்கல சொல்லு.
Capital K. Capital K.
Capital A. Small A.
K.
Eva. K.
J.
K for
Kite.
kite. Okay, very good. Next is Sai Priyan.
L.
L. Capital L. Small L. L for? What is it? L for? Leaf. Leaf. L for leaf. Yes, very good. Next is M. Pranavi. Pranavi. Capital M. Small m. Very good. M for monkey. Pravina. No. Next one. N. Capital. Okay, N. Capital N. Small n. N for? Nail. Okay, very good. Nail. Nail means ani. Nail. Okay. Next is Mokshita. Mokshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What alphabet is this?
Wow.
O. Capital O. Small o. O for? Octopus. Okay. Very good, ma Mokshita. Nimalan. Yeah, welcome. Nimalan. Yeah, welcome, ma. Nimalan. Pranavi and Pravina, mute yourself, ma. What is the alphabet? First tell me the alphabet. Capital P. Small p. Pranavi and Pravina, please mute yourself. Shravanya, mute yourself. Children, all of you mute yourself except Nimalan. Otherwise, you can't hear me clearly, children. Come on, mute yourself, everyone. Pranavi, Pravina, mute yourself. Very good. Okay. Now, come on, Nimalan. Capital P.
Capital E.
Small p. P for?
E for?
Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Nimalan, P for?
B for?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Very good. Arya.
Tell Arya, your turn. What's this? What letter is this?
Arya.
Sir, ma'am is asking.
Arya. Q. Capital Q.
Small Q.
Very good. And what is the picture? Q for?
Queen.
Very good. Queen. Very good, Arya. Thank you. Okay, next is Nakshatra. Nakshatra.
B for?
R. Capital R.
S.
Capital R. Small r. R for? R for? Rain. Rain. What is rain? Rain means what, ma Nakshatra? What is rain? Rain. Rain means Malay, rain. Okay. Okay. Next is Tilakar. Thank you, ma Nakshatra. Tilakar.
Sultan.
Capital S.
Capital S.
Mm.
S.
S for? Hmm.
Sun.
Sun. Very good. Next is Riyashree. Riyashree.
சொல்லுடா.
Yes, economy.
தூர்க்கி. Capital T,
Riyashree
small
காணுமா?
t.
Yes, Riyashree.
சொல்லு capital T, small
For tea.
T for
சொல்லு T for
For
turtle. Turtle.
turtle.
T for turtle. Very good. Okay. Next is who else didn't get the chance, children?
Yukta
Come on. Yukta, come on.
U is for
Capital U,
umbrella. Capital U.
small u.
Capital U, small u.
U for umbrella. Very good. Very good, Mayukta. Good. Next is Kadambari. Kadambari.
What is
Capital V. V for volcano. Very good, Kadambari. Next is Srinija. Srinija.
Ma'am.
Yeah, come on.
Small u, W,
No. Capital W.
capital W, small W.
Very
Watch.
good. W for watch. Well done, Srinija. Next is Nitish. Nitish.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. X.
சொல்லு.
Capital X.
X.
Capital X.
சொல்லு capital X,
Small x.
small x,
X for
X for
xylophone.
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 சொல்லு.
X for
X for
xylophone.
xylophone.
Okay, thank you, Manitish. Ilango.
சொல்லு நீ Y சொல்லு சொல்லு
Capital Y.
சொல்லு சரி நான் சொல்ல நீ சொல்லு சொல்லு சொல்லு
Capital Y.
ம்.
Small y.
சொல்லு
Y,
ஆ,
Y.
ம்.
Y for
சொல்லு பாரு மேம்
yo-yo.
சொல்லு மேம் சொல்றது சொல்லு
U,
Yo-yo.
யோ யோ
U.
Very good, Ilango. Thank you. Hiteshri. Hiteshri. Hiteshri is not there.
Say.
Z. Z. Z for
Therefore,
zip.
Zipper.
Very good. Zipper or zip, whatever it is. Good, ma. Thank you, children. Now I want all of you to take your rough notebook, children. Come on, all of you take your rough notebook. Take a fresh page. Yesterday we had activity till J, right? Today we'll do K, L and M. Okay, take a fresh page. Write K, L, M. Okay. Take a fresh page and write K, L, M and draw 3 pictures. One is kite, mango and lollipop. K, L, and M. Only 3 letters. K, L, M. Take your rough notebook, take a fresh page. Write today's date. Today's date is 29. Little bit bigger so that it will be easy for them to color, parents. Little bit bigger. Draw a little bit bigger. Because we are having only 3 letters today. K, L, and M. Arya, which is K? Arya, come on, touch in the screen, which is K? Which is K, Arya?
She touched correctly, ma'am.
Correctly, yeah? Okay, well done. Next. Pranav, which is L? Pranav. Which is L? This one, ah? What, ma? You can't hear me, ah? Pranav, which is L? This one, or this one? Which is L? Which is L? This one, ah? This one? This one, correct?
L எது காமி அவன் நோட்ல காமி
Okay, note he is showing. Okay, correct then. Good. And then M, Pranavi and Pravina, which is M? Where is M? Very good. In the notebook you are showing. Good. M. Now come on, match it, children. Match K for. Okay, mute yourself. Pranavi and Pravina, mute yourself.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma. Very good, Srinija. Very good. Why you didn't do in your notebook, Srinija?
ma'am in notebook ma'am
Yeah, in rough notebook she can do.
okay
You should
ma'am.
color. They should color all the 3 pictures also.
okay ma'am
Yeah, thank you. Very good, Srinija. Kadambari, very good. Those are finished, can start coloring. Color the 3 pictures. Yes, I'm here only, children. 1 minute. Let me get my chalk piece. 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, now the answer K for kite. Kite. Next is L. L for, yes, Tilakar, mute yourself. L for lollipop. Lollipop. Okay, next is M. M for mango. Yeah, very good. Yes. Who else finished? Come on, get your stars. Yeah, one by one I'll call you, children. Then you show me, I'll give you stars. Yeah, mute yourself, I'll call you one by one. Yes, ma, Tilakar. Very good. What color star you need? Blue color. Okay, wait. Blue color star for Tilakar. No, only one option. Okay. Okay, very good, Tilakar. Next is Arya. Yeah, welcome, Arya.
Arya
Finish. Okay, what color star you need, Arya?
I want pink.
Pink. Pink star for Arya. Okay? Good girl. Next is Mokshita. Mokshita.
Yes, ma'am. சொல்லு.
Yes, ma'am.
Finisher?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Come on, show me your notebook. Show me your notebook. What color star you need?
What color star?
Very good, Mokshita. What color star you need?
Red color.
Red color star for Mokshita. Okay? Next is Adya Sharma.
Ma'am.
बुला रही है कौन
Yeah,
सा
welcome, ma. Welcome.
Blue stars they do.
Blue star. Show me your notebook. Very good. Well done. And blue star goes for Adya Sharma. Yes?
Pink
Okay.
star.
No changing.
थैंक यू बोलो
Next is,
Thank you,
yes.
ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, ma. Shravanya. Shravanya. Show me. Very good, Shravanya. What color star you need?
Ma'am.
Hmm.
Pink, ma'am.
Pink. Shravanya gets a pink color star. Very good. Okay, next is, yeah, Ilango. Ilango.
நான் சொல்லுமான்னு கூப்பிடுறேன்.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. What color star you need?
Blue one blue.
Blue. Blue, blue, blue. Yes? Blue color star. Today you identified on your own?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, sir. Really very good boy, Ilango. Okay, next is Manasa. 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 Yes. Come on. Very good, Manasa. What color star you need?
And this one is green.
Pink. Pink color star for Manasa. Yes?
Look, green.
Green, Green, okay, green. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, Kadambari.
I want purple.
Purple. Very good, Kadambari. Purple. Where is purple? This one. Yes? Very good. Thank you. Next is, yeah, Hiteshri. Hiteshri. Those who have finished, children, I want you to draw 4 shapes: a square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. Come on, draw and keep it ready. By the time I'll finish with others and come back, okay? Those who have finished, draw 4 shapes: square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. Okay? Draw and keep it ready. Those who got the stars. Hiteshri, what star you need?
I need
Hmm.
green color.
Green or pink?
Pink.
Pink. Pink star for Hiteshri. Okay. Yukta. Yukta.
Ma'am.
Very nice, Yukta. Beautiful. What color star you need?
Pink.
Pink star for Yukta. Okay. Nakshatra. Yeah, welcome, ma. Nakshatra. Nakshatra.
Yes, ma'am. Sollu.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, come on, show me. What color star you need, Nakshatra?
Pink color.
Pink color. Where is pink? Yeah. Pink. Okay. Nimalan. Welcome, Nimalan. Nimalan. Finish, Nimalan.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me, come on. Nimalan.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah. Yeah. What color star you need, Nimalan? Can you hear me?
Green color, ma'am.
Green. Your voice is very low. Green. Okay. Next is Sara. Yeah, welcome, Kanna. Sara.
Let's.
Wow, wow, Sara.
This
Beautiful.
is
What?
rainbow type. This is Monday yellow. This is rainbow type. This is lollipop. Rainbow.
Oh, wow. Very good. Such a sweetheart you are. Okay, come on. What color star you need?
I want
Yeah, you want yellow. I don't have yellow today. Another color?
orange.
I don't have orange also. Another color?
Ma'am will give you options. Okay? You have to choose.
Okay, you want
Ma'am,
pink, purple or blue?
Amma, yang color dah.
Hmm.
Yang
Pink,
color.
purple or blue? Blue, you'll not say, but you'll show me the colors, naughty girl.
No.
Here.
Not two.
No, I gave you blue. No.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, purple you need, You need purple, Okay, purple. Sarah, purple. Okay, good. Thank you, Sarah. Next is Kevin. Kevin. Others also got the stars. Please draw 4 shapes: square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. Very good, Kevin. What color star you need?
என்ன ஸ்டார் வேணும்?
உனக்கு கேக்குறேன் என்ன ஸ்டார் வேணும்?
உனக்கு கேட்டேன்.
I need blue color star, Kevin. Give me blue color star. Give me blue color star.
What
You
star
only
வேணும்?
asked, no? என்ன color star வேணும்? You only asked me.
எனக்கு blue color star.
நான் ப்ளூ ஸ்டார் வேணும்.
Blue star for Kevin. Yeah, thank you, Kevin. Next is Sai Priyan. Sai Priyan.
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Come on, show me your notebook. Have you done?
Okay.
Slate,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Pencil
good.
is missing.
Okay, no issues. What color star you need?
Which color?
ஆரஞ்சு கலர்.
Orange, I don't have, Kana. Another color, blue?
ஆரஞ்சு கலர் மேம்.
Blue, okay, va?
Yeah, blue color, okay.
பூ கலர் வேணும்.
Then?
yellow கொடுத்துங்க.
Yellow, illa, I don't have yellow. Yellow and orange, I don't have. Okay, blue. Pink, va? Okay. Pink color star, okay? Happy?
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Next is Riya Sri. Riya Sri.
The finished, ma'am, sir.
Wow, Riya Sri. What color star you need?
What color star? Star, sir.
இதது பிக்.
Pink. Okay? Pink star. Pink.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Huh? What she's saying? What you're saying, Riya Sri?
Red, sir.
Pink or red venuma? Okay, pink and red. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, good. Yeah, next is Pranavi and Pravina. Very good, both of you. What color stars you need? Pink. Okay, pink. Next. Who wants pink? Pranavi or Pravina? Blue. Green. Okay, pink and green. Blue. Yeah, welcome. Okay, finally, Srinija. Anyone decided? Did I miss out? Srinija? Tilakar, I already gave you star, no Tilakar? Huh? 2 star. One is for Pranavi and Pravina. Okay. Very nice, Srinija. What color star you need?
Purple and pink.
Purple. Okay. Okay? Good. Okay, did I miss out anyone, children?
Pink is
I have asked everyone, right? Shades also very good. Children, all of you color your shades along with this K, L and M. You have to send it. All of you mute yourself 1 minute. 1 minute, mute yourself, everyone. Yesterday also I sent a home test, but I received only from Adarsh, Pranav, and then Ilango, I think. Okay, others you didn't send at all. Why?
Ma'am,
Yesterday.
ma'am.
Yeah, Yukta also I got. Others you didn't send. Why, children? Today you have to finish that test along with this K, L and M. You have to send it today. Okay, that is for observation. So please send back. Do it in your 4-line notebook and send it back. Okay, children. Thanks for your cooperation. Bye, everyone. Yeah, bye, everyone. Yeah, bye, Sarah. Bye, bye. Bye, Ma. Bye. Yeah, bye.
Ma'am.
Yeah, bye, Kevin. Yes? Yes, Mokshita's mom.
Ma'am, what homework, ma'am?
நேற்று ஒரு ஹோம் டெஸ்ட் அனுப்பியிருந்தேன், குரூப்ல பார்த்துருந்தீங்கன்னா இருந்திருக்கும்.
ஓ, குரூப்ல நான் இல்லன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் மேம்.
இல்லையே, ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டோம் உங்க நேமா.
அப்படியா? சரி, ஓகே மேம், நான் பார்க்கறேன்.
இல்ல, நான் உமா மேம் எதுக்கு ஒரு வாட்டி செக் பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.